everyone, thanks for joining. My name is Janisa and today I'm so excited to show you all of the products in the customization category number 4. I have a promo code at the end of this video that will give you $10 off of your first FabFitFun box, so stick around, you're not going to want to miss it, and let's dive into the winter box products. Okay, so the first product I'm going to show you is the Way of Will Slim Deep Oil. Now I love this oil because I am more of a essential oils type of girl. I don't really like fragrances, and this is made out of pure essential oils. So it has like grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil. It has so many different oils in here, this is my type of product. So after you shower, you have clean skin, put it on your body, and you'll go about your day looking great. All right, so the next product I'm going to show you is the TULA Skincare Purifying Cleanser. But it's so great because it gently purifies and cleanses your skin, it gently exfoliates your skin, and if I'm honest, I was having a little bit of congestion in my skin, you know, causing a lot of like bumps and things that were just super visible to me and I didn't really like. So this really helps me, you know, cleanse and exfoliate and get rid of that congestion. It's gonna leave your skin moisturized. It won't like harshly strip away your oils and, you know, leave your skin dehydrated. You're gonna be feeling really good after you cleanse with this. So, highly recommend that one. Okay, so the third product I'm going to show you is the Briogeo Scalp Treatment. Now, I really like this one, especially because I have super curly hair, as you can see. But this is great because in order for me to have, you know, super bouncy and healthy curls throughout the day and throughout the dry season, I have to keep my scalp really hydrated, really cleansed, and moisturized. So I like to use this right after I wash my hair. I put in a few drops on my scalp and just rub it in, massage it into my scalp. It leaves your hair very moisturized and healthy. And then you can go ahead and put in your products and go on about your day. Now I know this customization is getting a little difficult to pick your favorite product, but I'm going to show you another really good product, which is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Cream. Now this is a treatment that you put in after you shower, after you've washed your hair. You just leave this in your hair and it really defines your curls. And I like this because it's weatherproof, so whether it's raining or whatever, your curls will be popping till the end of the day and you don't have to worry about frizz or anything like that. And you know, sometimes when it's raining, I end up looking like my wet dog Marty after he just showered, and I don't want to be looking like that. So I want healthy, beautiful, bouncy curls even when it's raining. It has rice aminos, it has avocados, it has all these products that I put in my hair from my kitchen, and it's blended perfectly into this beautiful bottle, so I don't have to create these crazy concoctions and walk out looking all crazy. So anyways, this is a really good product to leave in your curls, make them pop in, make them look really good and healthy. All right, so the last product is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Cream. Now this is for when you're going to use heat in your hair. You wanna make sure that you protect your hair, and especially for me, I had a lot of heat damage. But also, if you don't have curly or wavy hair, this is great just for applying any heat onto your hair. This is great for anybody. So highly recommend this product as well. Comment below, I wanna know, do you use a lot of heat products or a lot of heat tools in your hair? I just wanna know, like, how often are you using it? What do you use if you use anything to protect it? And is this something that you're gonna be choosing to protect your curls or your wavy hair? As promised, the promo code for today is Close Up, and that will give you $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. So make sure you go, sign up, stop what you're doing right now, and get your box. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. And also, let me know in the comments below what you really liked. What did you like from this video? And if you like this video and wanna see more videos like this, please let us know. It really helps us know that you know, we're on the right track and that this is helping you out when you're, you know, going through your customization and selecting the products that you want. So comment below, make sure that you sign up for your box using the promo code, and I will see you next season. Bye guys.